In the last episode, we got our first real haul of fish and explored Guadeloupe's amazing hot springs, rivers and waterfalls. In this episode, Guy gets a chance to show us everything he has learnt in the last 6 weeks. So we're just slowly training everyone up to just be able to drive the boat and anchor and stuff on their own. So it's fun teaching them, a little bit nerve-wracking sometimes. I don't let them do it in like 20-25 knots, but when it's like this, it's cool. I mean, the boat's been through a hurricane, so there's a lot of issues that you don't normally have to deal with. Next stop's Dominica.
You nervous for later on? Okay.
No, not at all.
How many miles is it?
Don't check yet.
What's the wind doing? How much fuel have you got?
You were supposed to show me this.
I was supposed to show you.
So, Guy's been sailing with us for about 6 weeks now, and he hadn't really done much sailing before that. Had you done any sailing before that?
Not really.
No. So he's just been learning, and he's been asking lots of questions, and he's been helping and pulling ropes, and I think it's time for him to have a crack at doing a passage plan. So he's gonna skipper the boat from, where are we?
Eau de Terre in Guadeloupe to Dominique.
So we're giving Guy a chance to be a skipper from beginning to end. So he's going to do all the checks and then sail all the way. How much wind are we going to have?
I depend around 20 knots, I guess.
20 knots. So it's going to be a good breeze. He's already checked the weather. That's good. And then hopefully we'll get to Dominica safely.
Yeah.
Let's see how he
No
goes.
rocks, no reef, I hope.
You've never driven the boat before, so I would try to give yourself as much room as possible, because it's kind of hard to maneuver, especially going backwards astern. So you don't have much control. You could be full astern, the helm hard over, but you won't turn if there's like a slight wind.
Not more than this, no? Right?
You can do more of that. Just do everything real slow to start with.
Trying to get the mooring right under the boat. Does it just look like they're running around, or did it actually happen?
Yeah, I just spotted it now.
Guy had only been at the helm for 10 minutes when we spotted what looked like a boat which had run aground, so we changed course to see if anyone needed help. Turns out the boat had been there for some time, so we carried on to Dominica.
So let's
Okay.
sail.
Okay.
You've gone too high.
Okay. You need definitely to tie the reef to.
So the hard part of this is keeping the bow into the wind.
We have 17 feet right now.
Okay.
All right, I think that's good.
Okay.
Nice.
What do you think of Guy's driving?
We survived, so.
Practice more. Nice. Great.
Oh, man, come on, you did a perfect job. You got us here in record time.
This is the best day of my life. That's okay, it's for first time, but I need to practice more, so I'm going to ask to the captain to do another session, you know.
The hurricane almost killed us. So, but we survived.
Yeah.
You know, we survived.
This boat went through a hurricane.
Which one? Which hurricane it went?
Irma.
Oma. Okay. So just after Oma, it was Maria. So we get Maria.
In Dominica, we pulled into Portsmouth, where clearing in was an absolute breeze. We took a cruise up the Indian River, then rented a car and did some more exploring.
It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try.
So today is my last day here with you, but this is also my last day with drinking alcohol. Quit drinking alcohol for at least a week. Tonight, of course, but after that, you know, for a week at least.
Giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know.
Moving on south, our next port of call was Fort de France in Martinique. Soon after arriving, I flew out to Miami to do a quick charter on a super yacht helping a friend out. Maria soon realized that we could not fill our propane tanks in Martinique, so she set out to find a solution.
Who knows how long it lasts?
Okay, so what are your thoughts on this
I
problem?
have no idea. So we had a no successful trip to Decathlon. We found all the camping gear and everything, and we have no idea what to do. So we're really close to another place where they said they butane the tanks. We're gonna check how much it costs.
A butane solution seemed too difficult for the time being, and the crew decided they would cope by being creative with the rice maker.
So we're gonna cook everything in the rice cooker.
This looks so good. That is ridiculous.
Good morning. So today we have Marty's visit to the vet for his third vaccination. And also we're gonna get the health certificate to be able to check him in Martinique. Let's see how it goes.
Marty received his final vaccination this day and also got his rabies shot, along with a full health certificate.
So yesterday it wasn't my day. It was a horrible day. We went to shore to find a cafe to upload the video. We found a cafe with kind of a good internet, but it took us almost the whole day to upload the video. At some point I needed to come to the toilet really bad and also check on Martin, so I came to the boat and then I decided that I needed to pick up the ladder that was in the water. When I started doing it, my phone fell in the water, an iPhone 6 with all the best pictures, videos, and then I jumped in. I couldn't find it. I was like a little bit anxious, I don't know, so I couldn't coordinate. So I went inside the boat, took a shower, and then went to shore, meet Eric, and told him the story. Shower? I was like a 2-minute shower just to rinse my body. So I went there, I told Eric, and Eric came and he jumped in and found the phone.
Alright, I can already see it, so I'll just go down there now. Pick it up. I don't know what the best trick is. I would wash it out. And then put it in rice. That's what I'm going to do now.
We put it in a bag of rice, and then I just went straight to find a place to fix my phone.
So I'm now on shore right in front of the restaurant where she is. I got a rice packet for her. We'll see what she says about this.
You found it!
Yeah.
What? How?
It was right under the boat. You could see it was like really silver and just like shining.
Really? So I was carrying the bag of rice the whole afternoon all around town until I found a place. Then I went there. When I was there waiting for my phone, Colombia was playing the World Cup with England and lost. Not a good day.
It was then time for Ben and his girlfriend Gabby to go back to their lives in Costa Rica. Ben remains an investor in the boat, but the future plans for the boat are always evolving, and much of the future depends on the success of Yacht Life Productions. Regardless, the story of this hurricane-damaged boat will continue to be told for now.
I feel because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know